Hello my billionaire family, welcome back and happy new month. Today's tutorial will be on this beautiful ashoke ruffle style one side. This process is very easy guys. To tie this gele is so simple. So at the front we'll be creating V at the front there. So the joining of this gele is 3 line and it's very small. Our regular one bed gele, that is what I'm making use of. So I've created the plate now. I'm bringing it back to the front like so. Then I'll give my model to the other hand. Then this smaller hand now, I'll be using it to create another plate at that front to make it to form V shape at the front there. Like that. Just look at that. So you can see the gele is so small. Gele is very small guys. So I'm using office paint to secure it there so that it will not remove. So after that, I'll adjust the plate there. So after that now, going back with the other hand now, I'll use office paint to first pin it down at that place there. So the next thing, I'll start creating my ruffles like that. Just look at the video carefully. The process is not hard. Just look at the video carefully. So sorry about that. It's your baby Joshua that is sleeping, snoring. No? I'm making this voice over at night, the middle of night, so that is why. So please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, share. Please also follow me on my Instagram page. So you guys did not want to be seeing more of tutorial of makeup, so that is why I'm not uploading makeup tutorial, because I noticed the previous makeup tutorial uploaded, I really did not see much views there. So I think I will stop posting makeup tutorial for now. So I'll just concentrate on the gele. So I'm still using office pen to pin it there like that. So you see that the process is so easy guys, so easy and simple. Look at that, our gele is almost ready. Our gele is almost ready. So just adjusting it like that. Adjust it the way you want. Just pardon me, you know I do sweat a lot. To look at me sweating. And I back your baby Joshua at my back again. He's sleeping when I'm making this video at my back. So I'm still adjusting it like that. And that is it about the video. That is it. Please give this video a big thumbs up, like, share, and please comment. Let me know what you think about the video. So that is it. That is the finished look of it. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, share. I love you guys, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.